Hey guys, Ramesh here, back with another video. So welcome to V Answers Question 4. After a long time, so today we're gonna answer the 5 main questions. So here are the 5 main questions in the mobile, so let me answer one by one. The first question was, what are the best earphones under 1000? So before going to this topic, let me say one thing. So first I brought both Nirvana earphones. I nearly cost 800 bucks I think, and later after 5 months it stopped working. Very sad. And later I brought the Sennheiser CX213, which works very good. So let me take that one, Sennheiser TX213. So here they are, Sennheiser CX213, which nearly cost 800 in Flipkart offer. I brought this one. So these are pretty small, so wait for this review. So the best earphones under 1000 is Sennheiser 2X213. So these are very small, very compact and very powerful and the best. And one more thing what I like about these earphones, we get 2 years of warranty. So if any damage we can claim warranty. And the next question, how to make a quality video? First of all, a quality video needs a better content and picturization, and later the most important part is editing. If you edit your video like a pro, the video will be super and quality. So and finally, the quality of the video, maybe 360p, 720p, 1080 or 2K or 4K. So which quality do you want? So do you need the 4K? The quality of video is very awesome. So if you want to make a quality videos, upload in 4K or 1080. And the next question, what is your subscriber count? Subscriber count. So present my subscriber count is this. Yeah, my subscriber count is 1 time up and 1 time down. So every life of a human has up and downs, and every success needs a up and down. So my success is now in the stable. The next question, why are mobile brands are focusing on the camera? Let me say, nowadays we see every mobile brand is focusing on the camera. Maybe dual camera, single camera and triple camera. The main thing of the party is to bring a better camera and to attract the users. Now the smartphone brands are equalizing the performance of the camera. So let me say Snapdragon 820 single camera, 835 dual camera, 845 triple camera and the better camera setup. So day by day the performance of the phones are going on the way. Therefore the camera also should run equalizing to the performance. So smartphones cameras are growing day by day and the smartphone performance is growing day by day. That means they are equalizing the camera and the performance of the mobile. And the next question was, do I eject USB in the mobile phone? So yes, no, yes, no. So
if your task is completed, example, if you are copying a song file to the USB, if the task is
generally smartphones need not to eject USB drives. So these are the top 5 questions. So hope you like this and goodbye.